The LG XBOOM Stage 301 is not shy about what it wants to be. Co-created with will.i.am and positioned as a portable party speaker with XBOOM's signature sound, it promises bold audio, eye-catching design, and an energetic social vibe. After spending time with it, it's clear that this speaker is aimed squarely at people who value atmosphere as much as audio fidelity, and, largely, it delivers on that promise. From the moment you see it, the Stage 301 makes an impression. The design is unapologetically chunky, with a solid, almost industrial feel that suggests durability rather than delicate aesthetics. The integrated handle is a smart touch, making it genuinely portable despite its size. And the overall build inspires confidence. This is the kind of speaker you'd happily take to a garden gathering a weekend away, or even move from room to room without worrying about it feeling fragile. Subtle branding and tasteful lighting accents keep it from looking garish, striking a balance between party-ready and grown-up. Sound is, of course, the main event. The XBOOM signature sound leans towards a punchy bass-forward profile that immediately feels lively. Low frequencies are deep and confident without becoming overwhelming, which works brilliantly for pop, hip-hop, and electronic music. Vocals cut through clearly, retaining presence even at higher volumes, while mids stay warm and engaging. The highs are crisp enough to add sparkle, though audiophiles might find them slightly restrained compared to more neutral speakers. Still, for its intended purpose, synergizing a room or outdoor space, the tuning feels well judged. Volume is another strong point. The Stage 301 can get impressively loud without descending into distortion, maintaining clarity even when pushed. This makes it well suited to social settings where background chatter needs to be overcome. It's not trying to replace a full PA system, but for a portable speaker, its output is more than sufficient for small to medium-sized gatherings. The speaker's feature set complements its sound nicely. Bluetooth connectivity is quick and stable, with pairing feeling refreshingly straightforward. Controls on the unit are intuitive, allowing easy adjustment of volume and playback without fumbling. The built-in lighting effects add an extra layer of ambience, syncing naturally with the music and enhancing the party feel. Thankfully, they're tasteful rather than distracting, and can be turned down or off if you prefer a more low-key experience. Battery life is solid rather than spectacular. It comfortably lasts through an evening of moderate to loud playback, which is exactly what most users will need. While it won't last an entire weekend without charging, the trade-off feels reasonable given the power on offer. Charging itself is straightforward, and the speaker is ready to go again without excessive downtime. Where the LG XBOOM Stage 301 truly shines is in its sense of character. The collaboration with will.i.am isn't just a marketing badge. There's a clear emphasis on fun, energy, and accessibility. This isn't a speaker that demands careful listening or critical analysis. Instead, it invites you to press play, turn it up, and enjoy the moment. In conclusion, the LG XBOOM Stage 301 is a confident, personality-driven portable speaker that knows its audience. It offers bold sound, practical portability, and a design that feels both robust and stylish. While purists may crave a more balanced sound signature or longer battery life, most users will appreciate its lively performance and easygoing charm. If you're looking for a speaker that brings people together and sets the mood without fuss, the Stage 301 is an easy recommendation.